Oh, wow. Wow.
At some point, I'll talk about that and it'll be serious, it'll be funny.
Chris Rock has revealed that he recently hired a lawyer just so that he can initiate the legal processes against Will Smith. The whole world had witnessed the Pursuit of Happiness star slapping comedian Chris Rock at the Oscars 2022. However, things took a very interesting turn as everyone remained unaware of how Will Smith will be reprimanded for his actions. While millions showed their support for Smith on the internet, people and celebrities alike also went ahead and condemned the incident. Initially, Chris Rock said that he would rather not press charges against Will Smith. However, the situation appears to be taking an interesting turn a couple of weeks after the incident. So where does Chris Rock plan to take things legally, and where do they go from here? Let's find out in this video. Here's what some of the fans are saying. A Twitter user writes, "I don't care how offensive Will Smith found a joke to be. Violence is never acceptable. Fuck him, and I will be highly disappointed in Chris Rock if he doesn't press charges as well as sue Smith for his last dollar." After slapping Will Smith on the face at the 94th Academy Awards, Chris Rock might be facing a huge lawsuit. Rock was photographed holding a meeting inside one of the country's largest litigation firms last week, according to MTO News, where a source claimed he has now become a new client of the business. Chris Rock will only talk about Will Smith Oscar slap under certain conditions. This alleged news means that Rock could possibly be looking to sue not only Smith, but also the Academy Awards. Whilst the source couldn't reveal certain details about Chris' meeting at the law firm, they did reveal that whatever they were saying, it was big, given the number of lawyers at the meeting. Rock allegedly refused to make a complaint about the event after it occurred, according to the Los Angeles Police Department, which said in a statement, "LAPD's investigative entities are aware of an incident between two individuals during the Academy Awards program. The incident involved one individual slapping another. The individual involved has declined to file a police report. If the involved party desires a police report at a later date, LAPD will be available to complete an investigative report." Smith slapped Rock in the face at the Oscars on March 28 during the live broadcast of the annual award presentation. The comedian jokes about Jada's baldness while presenting the Best Documentary Award.
Jada, I love you. G.I. Jane 2, can't wait to see it. All right?
Before announcing the winner of the award, Smith walked on stage, slapped Rock in the face, and then returned to his seat, yelling,
"Keep my wife's name out your mouth!"
twice. Will Smith smacked Chris Rock live on stage at the Oscars after the latter made a joke about his wife, Jada Pinkett Smith, according to several clips. Will went on to win his first Best Actor Oscar for his performance as Richard Williams in the 2021 biopic King Richard following the slapping incident. The iconic actor apologized to the Academy for his behavior during his moving statement, saying,
"Art imitates life. I look like the crazy father, just like they said." I look like crazy father, just like they said about Richard Williams. But love will make you do crazy things.
Smith apologized to Rock on Instagram 24 hours later, posting a message that read, "Violence in all of its forms is poisonous and destructive. My behavior at last night's Academy Awards was unacceptable and inexcusable. Jokes at my expense are a part of the job, but a joke about Jada's medical condition was too much for me to bear, and I reacted emotionally. I would like to publicly apologize to you, Chris. I was out of line and I was wrong. I am embarrassed, and my actions are not indicative of the man I want to be. There is no place for violence in a world of love and kindness." He continued, "I would also like to apologize to the Academy, the producers of the show, all the attendees, and everyone watching around the world. I would like to apologize to the Williams family and my King Richard family. I deeply regret that my behavior has stained what has been an otherwise gorgeous journey for all of us. I am a work in progress. Sincerely, Will." Meanwhile, Jim Carrey has placed a price on Will Smith's slap heard round the world, and it's $200 million for the newly crowned Oscar winner. The Sonic the Hedgehog actor, who began his career as a stand-up comic, told CBS Mornings that Smith's onstage attack on Chris Rock over a joke about Smith's wife Jada Pinkett Smith left him sickened. Carrey also voiced his amazement that Rock would not seek charges over the statement, joking that it would be a different thing if he had been the victim of Rock's assault. He doesn't want the hassle of suing. Carrey said, "I would have announced this morning that I was suing Will for $200 million because that video is going to be there forever. It's going to be ubiquitous." Because Rock refused to make a police report, the Los Angeles Police Department indicated it was aware of the occurrence but would not investigate. Since then, Smith has expressed regret for his behavior. actor. You do not have the right to walk up on stage and smack somebody in the face because they said words, Carey added in his interview with Gayle King.
I was sickened. I was sickened by the standing ovation. I felt like Hollywood is just spineless, en masse. It really felt like, oh, this is a really clear indication that we're not the cool club anymore.
Kathy Griffin expressed concern about the ramifications of Smith's conduct for other comedians, echoing Carey's comments. Let me tell you something, it's a very bad practice to walk up on stage and physically assault a comedian, Griffin tweeted. Now we all have to worry about who wants to be the next Will Smith in comedy clubs and theaters. Stand-up comedian Jeffrey Ross, who has alopecia like Pinkett Smith, posted a statement calling for Rock to receive a Nobel Peace Prize for his conduct. I worship Chris Rock, Ross wrote. I cried when I saw Smith attack him because I was watching my idol live out a comedian's worst nightmare on live television. Rock should get a Nobel Peace Prize for keeping his hands down and not escalating the situation. Class act. If Jada wasn't feeling the jokes, Smith should have put his arm around her and let Chris finish. Anyway, I also have alopecia, he added. It sucks, but when people make jokes, I laugh because that's life. Rose Rock, Chris Rock's mother, has spoken out about Will Smith striking her son at the 2022 Oscars ceremony 1 month after the incident. Rock, a motivational speaker and author, told WIS in Columbia, South Carolina, that Smith is doing well but is still processing the incident that led to his resignation from the Academy of Motion Picture Arts and Sciences. Smith, who won the Best Actor for his role in King Richard, has subsequently been barred from all events, including the Oscars, for the next 10 years, according to the group. I told someone when Will slapped Chris, he slapped all of us, but he really slapped me. Rose Rock said, when you hurt my child, you hurt me. On April 26, 2022 in Las Vegas, Nevada, Dwayne Johnson talks on stage at the CinemaCon 2022 Warner Brothers Pictures The Big Picture presentation at the Coliseum at Caesars Palace at CinemaCon, the official conference of the National Association of Theater Owners. In response to a question about what she would say to Smith, Rock said, I have no idea what I would say other than, what in the world were you thinking? Because you did a slap. But so many things could have happened. Chris could have stepped back and fallen. You really could have gotten taken out in handcuffs. You didn't think. You reacted to your wife giving you the side eye, and you went up and you made her day because she was bowled over laughing when it happened. What does that mean? She said, referring to the 10-year restriction. You're not even going once a year. Rock went on to claim she was really proud of how her son behaved at the moment, despite the fact that she didn't think the Academy should have taken Smith's Oscar away. She went on to say that she didn't believe Smith's apologies, which he posted to his Instagram account the day after the ceremony, were sincere. I feel really bad that he never apologized. Rock remarked. His people wrote up a piece and said, I apologize to Chris Rock, but something like that is personal. You reach out. Chris Rock made a joke about Smith's wife, Jada Pinkett Smith, having a shaved head, prompting Smith's smack. Since the Oscars, the comedian has stayed fairly silent on the event. Chris's brother, Kenny Rock, told the Los Angeles Times earlier this month that he didn't believe Smith's apology was sincere. That will be all from this one, folks. Thank you for watching and have a great day.